I'm going to be testing eBay's authenticity guarantee. eBay has become a middleman service for buying and selling sneakers, so in this video, we're going to put eBay to the test. Let's hop on eBay here and let's see what sneakers we can find. eBay has a lot. eBay has it all. It's enough to be said they have everything. So let's see. Let's see for Jordan 4s. I want to see what Air Jordan 4s we could find on eBay. What's nice about this is that we can browse by size. So I'm going to look for my size. And now we're going to find the listings. They have a lot. They have a lot. We're looking for that authentic guarantee. That little blue check mark means everything. So we want that. You guys can see there's used. There's new. Ooh, this is a pretty good deal on some Bread 4s. The Reimagines are releasing very soon, and I'm giving away a pair of those. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, comment down below your size, and then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Let me know what size you need. But this pair of Bread 4s looking very, very nice. This pair of Bread 4s looks nice. For $350, $15. Shipping $365. If you were to buy a brand new pair, this would be over $500, almost $600. They do have most of the stars. Yeah, all stars are still there. They look cleanable. This is a clean pair. eBay does have the authentic guarantee, which is nice. Let's see what else. Ooh, we got some Fire Red 4s from 2020 for $250 with $15 shipping as well. Very nice deals. And what's nice about this is they have to be authentic. If they're not authentic, they're not going to pass eBay. And, well, you're not going to get the shoe. You will receive a refund. And the buyer, well, the seller, I should say, is not going to be happy when they get that email that the shoes did not pass. But right here, we do have some more great listings. We have some Jordan 4 Black Hats. Now, I would stay away from this listing because they don't have the authentic guarantee. That's what we're looking for here, the authentic guarantee, and the Black Hats on that listing do not have it. So here's some Red Cement 4s. Now you guys can see, this is just the stock photo, but that doesn't really mean much. The person could have just been lazy. Just 2 feedback. Personally, I would stay away from that. I'm looking for a nice amount of feedback for this purchase, but this is not it. Let's see, maybe these Thunders, 27 feedback, that's nice. Always check out the seller's feedback. And yeah, they have the authentic guarantee, size 11. This looks like a pair we could possibly purchase, we would possibly buy. Size 11, yeah, Thunder 4s looking great as well. Now these Lightnings are a little beat up, but for $120, and a little beat up, too beat up for me, for my liking on those. Military Black 4s. Ooh, I love the Military Blacks. I definitely need a pair. The Military Blues are releasing soon. I will have an early pair of those. So make sure you guys like this video and hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when the Military Blue 4s do land. But right here, these Military Blacks are looking pretty specific, nice. Very spicy, I should say. They're looking nice. I like them. These are looking nice. These are looking clean. Alright, not bad. For $325. Now, what's nice about eBay is if you don't like the price, you could always make an offer, which is awesome. And if the person accepts, you hit pay, go ahead and buy them, and then you'll get them in. Now, what's nice about eBay is they are the authentic middleman. So they are a middleman service. Here's a pair of Black Hat 4s. $375. I wish there was more pictures. Oh, this looks like it was repainted, though. Man, that stinks. These Red Thunders, there's a lot. We can keep going. eBay does have it all. What's nice is you could also categorize more by the filter here. And what I like to do, and I'm going to show you guys a little trick, is scroll down, and you guys can see sold and completed items. When you do this, you can see what really sells on the market. Just because somebody has it listed up for $500 doesn't mean it's actually worth $500. It's worth what someone's willing to pay. So you guys can see what actually sold here listings. This is a great way to also price your sneakers, used sneakers. So definitely check this out on eBay as well. This is definitely a great feature. You guys can see all the listings and what has sold here on eBay. Now these are all completed and sold listings, which is awesome. Now what's nice about eBay is they are the middleman So you know that you're going to receive 100% authentic sneakers. So let's see, they do have every size. You can browse by sizes. There's more filters. You can filter out by whatever you're looking for. There's so many options here. As you guys can see, there's a lot that you guys can browse by and really search for what you're looking for. If you're looking for price, well, you could put in the price. There's so many details that you could put in. So let's see, could we get for $100? I'm just curious to see. I'm not expecting much, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I'm going to look for my size and see what's up there in Jordan 4s for just $100 or less. Look at this. Some mid-lightning Jordan 4s. Okay, but those are with the authentic guarantee, so that might be good. As long as it has the authentic guarantee, personally, I would take the risk. As long as I see that and the shoe looks good, I would personally take the risk. And if it turns out being fake, hey, you get your money back. If it turns out being real, you got them for a steal. That's the way I look at eBay when it comes to this authentic guarantee. Now, I did purchase sneakers already from eBay, so let's get into this unboxing. I'm excited for this. Make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to enter in the Jordan 4 Reimagined Bread giveaway. Make sure you guys subscribe and DM me proof on Instagram. Now, let's get into this unboxing from eBay. The Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined giveaway. That's right, I'm giving away a pair of Bread Reimagined Air Jordan 4s to one of my subscribers. You guys watching this video. To enter this free Bread 4 Reimagined giveaway, all you guys need to do is smash that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Join the More family. Get me to 71,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know what size you need in the Bread 4s. They will fit true to size. Then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Bread 4 Reimagined giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of this month, but don't worry, if you do not win this first giveaway, I will be giving away multiple pairs. You will have multiple chances, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. And the giveaway later on throughout the year will be for a pair of military blue 4s as well. Giving away Bread 4s and military blue 4s here in 2024, so make sure you guys subscribe and get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. $350 plus $14.95 for a grand total of $364.95 shipped for this pair of Air Jordan 4s. This is absolutely crazy. Why? Because this is cheaper than any other platform for this sneaker. Brand new, dead stock, in a size 9. This is absolutely crazy. Definitely an OG, a must-have. But let's see. Did eBay get me right? Or did I get scammed? Did I get fakes? Let's find out. Right here, we do have eBay Authentic Guarantee cards slipping out of the box. Let's open these up. And let's take a look. I am very excited for this unboxing. eBay Authentic Guarantee. You do have it on the box. Let's see if they got me right here with this pair of Air Jordan 4s. Over $300 later. But if you go on other platforms, they're going to cost you over $400, even $450 in this size. So I'll take it. Hopefully, good to go. Let's take a look at the label. There it is. There it is, size 9. Woo! The Air Jordan box, the Air Jordan 4 box. And here they are, the Air Jordan 4. Man, I love looking at this shoe. It's one of my favorite 4s ever. One of my favorite Jordans ever. The Air Jordan 4, fire red from 2020. And you guys can see it. Boom. We got the eBay Authentic Guarantee on the shoe, and here they are, the Air Jordan 4. Now let's take a look at the packaging, and then we're going to get into the sneakers. We're going to make sure that these are good to go, and eBay got it right, hopefully. Let's take a look at this label. Air Jordan 4 Retro White, Fire Red, Black, Tech Gray, retail $200. That is looking good on the label. Box looks good. Everything looks correct. According to the box, yes, sir. Okay, so this looks good. as far as the box is concerned. Now the shoe, here they are, all laced up, still factory knotted, but here they are, the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red from 2020. Ooh, look at the shape. Look at all the details, the stitching. First of all, yes, these are certainly brand new in dead stock condition. 100% brand new pair. No creasing, nothing crazy going on. Nice to see. The shape. All right, looking good. Everything's looking good on this pair. Nice and crispy. Nice details. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Absolutely. Yes, sir. This looks like a great pair of Fire Red 4s. It looks like it's a really nice, clean pair, to be honest. This is a clean pair. Now, I know, eBay is the middleman. All these other services, they are the middleman service. They're not the ones making the shoe. So if there are flaws, you can't always blame them. Sometimes they could, of course, decline the shoe if it's any major factory flaws. But on this pair, looking okay, nice and clean. Very nice. There's a little bit of dirt right there, though. I'm noticing it a little bit. That'll probably come right off, though. Not a big deal. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. The eBay Authentic Guarantee is everything. That authentic guarantee, the authenticity guarantee is everything when it comes to eBay. Make sure you guys are purchasing sneakers with that blue check. You guys saw, we went through it in the beginning of the video. Make sure you guys check that out. You want to make sure it has the blue check so that you're good to go when it comes to eBay. You can find good deals on eBay compared to other platforms. Like I said, this purchase was $364.95, which is less than any other place, to be honest, for this pair of sneakers. So you guys can check out eBay, and you can score out some good deals on both brand new as well as dead stock sneakers. This video is not sponsored. I want to make that very clear to you guys. I did purchase these with my own money just for entertainment and educational purposes, and I wanted to test out eBay's authentic guarantee a few years later after I first did it. It has been 3 years since I did it, so wanted to go ahead and retest it a few years later for you guys. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about eBay? Have you copped any good shoes from eBay? Any good steals lately? Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have copped anything from eBay. Make sure you guys like this video. Give this video a big like. The more people that like this video, the more likes this gets, the more people will see the video. So please make sure you guys hit that like button. It really does help the channel grow. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about eBay. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, one more thing. I forgot to tell you guys how long it took. I just realized. So, it did take, not bad. It took about 8 days. 8 days for them to come in. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. 8 days for me to receive the shoe. I'll take it. Seller shipped out right away, so that was awesome. And 8 days overall for me to receive this pair of Fire Red 4s. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.